Hello everyone, my name is West and this is Elven Cottage. Christiana from Circa Houses has asked me to give you guys a one-room tour, but since we're under construction here, we're going to give you a walkthrough of the whole thing and what we got going on and what our plans for. So hope you enjoy. Let's come along. So this is it. The cottage was built in 1926. It's located in Kenosha County in southern Wisconsin. We acquired it last December, and we've been slowly working on restoring as much as we can ever since. So currently I'm in the end process of restoring all the windows. All of these in front are all restored. A majority of them are fully restorable. There's about, I'd say, 5 or so that are really bad, and it is past my expertise to be able to restore them. But I'm really proud of what we've done so far. Everything we're doing is ourselves. We've never done any of this before. A lot of YouTube, a lot of Google, a lot of forums, and lots of help online from others. So this is probably one of my favorite windows right here. It was a little tricky. We got 4 diamond pane windows, but this one came out phenomenal, I think. And a lot of the glass is original, so it's hand-blown glass, so you'll see like the flex a little bit in it when you look at it in a certain angle, and it looks really awesome. So we went with like a lighter gray on the windows. The window sills and the trim is going to be a darker gray, this really awesome darker gray color. And then the base of the house, we're thinking of doing maybe a Swiss coffee or something along that lines. So it all kind of blends really well together. And we are in need of a new roof, and we're going to use a synthetic cedar shake roof. Like an old weathered look, and that's going to look phenomenal. We're going to do a staggered look, so it's going to give it that awesome old world feel. I'm installing that diamond window maybe today or tomorrow, and then this is the original wood door. It's painted purple. People say it was a witch's door or witch's cottage because of that. I scraped the purple, and we're going to stain this and have it look really awesome. So let's go inside. I'll show you a little tour room by room. So this is the turret room. It was cut off right there where these beams are, but we're gonna put exposed cross beams just above that and then go all the way to the top, so it's really open, and put a really cool like light chandelier in the middle. So this is gonna be our entrance area. They replaced this window at some point, but we plan on putting a nice stained window or a leaded glass window in there, and a nice arched doorway coming into the main living area. So we got this awesome exposed beam. It's kind of like one of those fake kind of beams, but it looks really nice. I'm currently sanding it down to restain it. So let me give you a good look in here. So that fireplace, so the whole house was covered in plaster. The plaster was falling off, it was rotting away, it was weather damage, it was so far gone to save. And I know a lot of people are kind of disgruntled about that, but we really wanted to start fresh because we need new insulation, new electric, new plumbing, new HVAC, all new. But the bones of the house are really solid actually. So we're glad about that. And this fireplace, the whole chimney was actually covered in plaster, but we found out it's original brick behind it. So we chipped away majority of the plaster to expose this awesome brick. And we're going to do like a wood mantle right there. And we're going to keep this plaster most likely on the bottom side and kind of chip away some of it to give this a really cool like breaking away exposed look. And then of course keep this awesome stone. We do, however, plan on getting rid of this wood burner. It's really old, and we like an open concept fireplace anyways. So that's that. I'll give you a nice shot of all these windows through here. Lots of work still needs to be done, but that's okay. I'll come back through here. So this room has all arched doorways, which is really cool. So this is one of my favorite rooms, this front room, you want to call it. It's all going to be enclosed in itself, and then the entrance is this arch right here. So this awesome, it's all going to be cathedral ceiling up here too. Really open windows in here. And then we're going to do like low cushion seating possibly along either side with a really low table in between. And then we're going to do a bookshelf up over this arch. So it's going to be like a quiet reading, cozy library area maybe play Dungeons and Dragons, board games, whatever you want in here. So that's going to be really awesome while I'm here. These are all the, well, they're still functioning, cold air return vents, which are really awesome. They're all over the house. They're original, which is really cool. So you can kind of get a better color of this. It's hard to come up on a camera, this gray, but it looks really good. So coming back through here, I'll show you the bedrooms. So the primary bedroom entrance is going to be through here, the right side. We're going to do a nice big wooden door here. Hope maybe find a reclaimed one, because we actually changed the entrance for this. Awesome windows. And then up there is actually going to be the entrance to a loft. So we're going to do a loft ladder, cut that right there out, and up there is going to be a loft. It's kind of going to be the crow's nest, we call it. Kind of like a gaming, chill out area up there. It's going to be our space, you know, connected with the primary bedroom. And then the bathroom is going to be in here, the primary bathroom. We don't know the exact layout of the bathroom. My mom has been helping us. But yeah, there's this. And then this brick, the back of the fireplace, this brick, we're going to leave exposed in the primary bedroom. We got a closet in there as well. Coming back through out here. Go back around the fireplace. In here is the second bathroom. It was a closet, but we extended it, so it's one big bathroom. Shower's going to be over there. Vanities, toilet. Yeah, nothing really exciting. But the door is going to be right here. And then the doorway into here is a little hallway into the second bedroom. Nothing really special in here. It is a low, this is like one of the few rooms with a low ceiling. So we might put faux beams in here, like kind of small, because when we were in England, and specifically in York, there was really cute coffee shops with low ceilings and exposed beams, and it was super awesome. So we kind of want to turn this bedroom into that. Back throughout here. And the whole house, the kind of design, we're really into like fantasy, like Lord of the Rings, Game of Thrones, Legend of Zelda, all that kind of stuff. So we kind of want to incorporate that in the house organically. Not like really in your face, but so the whole house feels like this fairy tale kind of fantasy little cottage that a couple elves would live in a forest kind of thing. So coming through another arch in here. This is the dining room. There was a wall here. We took the wall out because it was really small kitchen. So we want to open the dining room with the kitchen kind of connected. This is a cabinet that was left behind. This thing is gorgeous. We want to fix it up a bit. I mean, it's pretty good condition. Probably repaint the interior. The exterior looks pretty good. There's some nicks in it. So we'll see what we do with that. We got some windows drying here. These are the windows that are pretty far gone and past my skill to restore. So I do need to find a few windows at some reclaimed wood stores. Hopefully I'm going to one this weekend. I can find some windows. We need like two windows. And then we want to get a reclaimed dining table kind of right here in the corner. We don't know the layout of the house. We're kind of going to go with it, you know. Kind of like go along with it kind of thing. And then right here, we're going to do our kind of probably a fridge and then L corner cabinets with countertops. So we're going to do like a butcher block countertop. We're going to do kind of a stone, like natural kind of flooring. We don't know yet. We haven't found anything specific. And then we kind of want to have like copper accents here and there, like copper sink, a copper range hood, copper cookware, kind of stuff like that. And then the cabinets will be white, but I think it's all going to incorporate itself really well. And then kind of do an island kind of right here. And then I'm going to put we have a beam, I had to put a beam in there. And then we're going to do like an exposed beam up there, like a faux beam. And then coming in this mud room, which is going to be kind of connected with the kitchen, kind of not. We don't know the layout exactly. But we got more windows drying in here. We do have a basement. There's no stairs. We have a ladder. We do plan on converting one of the rooms in the basement into a wine cellar, but that's not going to be for a while. So I'll show you some of these windows. So, like I said, I learned all this on my own, all YouTube. I just finished this window yesterday, one coat of paint. This One window still needs some of the old glazing removed, the hinges removed. But these were the original bronze hinges, and these things are absolutely gorgeous. Like they're, oh, I love them so much. They look really good. Coming out here, this is a side patio. We're actually going to build a greenhouse here with reclaimed windows. It's going to be attached to the house, like half of it. It's got a lean-to kind of thing, but with a pitched ceiling too, pitched roof. So that's going to be really gorgeous. That's not till next year probably. And then we do have this coach house, I believe it's called. It was a garage. It converted into a living area. It's got electric and then plumbing, not really anymore. But we're going to plan on making that into a living space eventually as well. And we have all this. We have all these woods too past there, so which is really, really awesome area. You can hear construction going on in the far distance. Let me think. I'm pretty sure that's really it. Let me go back outside and kind of give you some final thoughts and final kind of things going on. Oh, one more thing. We do have these original copper air vents actually too that I'm restoring as well. So that's pretty awesome. I should be done with all the windows in the next week. I'm really hoping. And then move on to the next project. So I'm going to try and turn this around. I hope you all enjoyed the tour. If you have any questions, you can follow us at Elven Cottage on Instagram or TikTok. Feel free to DM me. Come follow along the journey. We have a lot to do, a lot of learning. Thank you again, Christiana from Circa Houses, for featuring us in this little tour. Hope you all enjoy it and have a wonderful day.